Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Colorado key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Always double-check your existing battery type to ensure you have the correct replacement. Let's get started. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for a small notch, usually near the keyring or on the side. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into this notch. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe which way the positive side is facing, usually marked with a plus sign. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully lift and remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.